guys, today I want to show you a project that we're going to be starting this week. Come with me. This is very nice because we came in here through a referral of a customer who found us on the internet, in Instagram. So he found us, we did his job, he referred to his friends, and the referral was such a great referral that they chose us, and I'm very proud to be able to do that. Come. Let's just stop for a quick moment. Here's where we start our job. As you guys can see, the pipe doesn't look so good. The equipment's still functioning, so we don't need to replace the whole equipment. We're going to replace the pipes, replace the ball valves, and also replace the filter. Because as I always say it, if it is not a major problem, you don't need to spend your money on that. I always like to save my customers money on whatever we can do it. Now let's come see the pool. There is still a little bit under construction because they're remodeling the whole house, and gratefully we're going to be remodeling the pool. As you guys can see it, they have a tile on the outside of the spa, they have tile on the water line. We're going to be redoing the tile, but first we're going to demolish, remove all the tile, stucco the wall, put in new tile. Same thing we're going to do with the pool. We're going to hand break the spots that are soft, do a preparation, and do a new sky blue diamond bright resurfacing. So stay tuned for guys to see how it is and the final result. Alright guys, so now all the work is done. 5 days after we got in here, we're ready to change all the pipes for the equipment. Everything's brand new. Come see the pool. Alright guys, so today we're here in that property in Boca Raton that we just finished renovating, and I'm with Kevin, our customer. Kevin, what do you have to say about us?
I can't say enough good things about the service you provided. I mean, from the time we signed the contract, 5 days later you guys were starting your work, and 5 days after that you were pretty well done. And now we are just thrilled with the end product. I mean, I look out the back window here and I feel like I'm looking out at a white sandy beach with a very inviting pool, and I'm just looking forward to recommending it to all our friends.
Oh, thank you, Kevin. I really appreciate it. Working with you guys was amazing. You guys were easy. You guys let us do the thing, and that's the most important thing for us. Because when we have the freedom to come in and do our thing, everything flows nicely. Nice.
Well, thank you.
Thank you, Kevin. I appreciate it, brother. Stay cool. Call Master Pool. 5 days later, after we start very nice. Now everything's up. Ah, não, pera, eu tenho que limpar isso aqui. Now check out what up.
All right, with hand or what?
Yeah, it can be with the hand.
1, 2, 3.